You may be concerned about odor when you are emptying your ostomy pouching system. Adapt Lubricating Deodorant from Hollister neutralizes pouch odors. It is colorless and odorless. An additional benefit is that it contains a special lubricating ingredient that helps make it easy to empty your pouch completely.
To use Adapt Lubricating Deodorant, you will need to add about 1 teaspoonful to the inside of your ostomy pouch. Do not use less, or it will not be as effective. If you are using a packet of Adapt Lubricating Deodorant, empty the entire contents of 1 packet into your pouch.
You will need to use Adapt Lubricating Deodorant each time you empty or change your pouch, not just the first time.
After Adapt Lubricating Deodorant is inserted in your pouch, close the bottom. Now rub the pouch to coat the inside. You may notice that Adapt Lubricating Deodorant foams slightly as you rub the pouch. This foaming action is normal. Also, don't worry if Adapt Lubricating Deodorant comes in contact with your stoma. It is safe and will not harm your stoma. The product can be used with either closed or drainable pouches. You may have been shown how to rinse your pouch after emptying. With Adapt Lubricating Deodorant, rinsing is not necessary. Adapt Lubricating Deodorant should not be applied to a skin barrier, nor should it ever be taken internally.